And some of this I know you've seen because you are financial professionals. And I want to talk for a minute about technical trading, because this is where we're already seeing this. We've seen this for a number of years. I'm a chartered market technician. The number of people who are pursuing the CMT designation, which is to understand how essentially the robots are trading, has increased many-fold in recent years. In January 2016, this is a chart I shared with my clients. This is the Dow. This is one of these weekly candle charts. And there's a blue line here. This is the 120-day moving average. And you can see every time the stock goes below it, there's not just a little drop, there's like really big drops. And every time it goes above it, it's pretty good. For the Dow, for the NASDAQ here, here's the blue line. This is a daily chart. It traded below it on Friday, February 9th. It did not close below that level. That level still matters. That 120-day still matters now. That chart was showing numbers from 2015. A couple of years later, it still matters. By the way, the last time that the NASDAQ closed below the 120-day moving average was on November 4th, 2016, just a few days before the election. But that's still a support that matters. And even after the big sell-off at the beginning of the month with that labor market report that showed 2.9% year-over-year wage inflation, again, biggest concern of our corporate clients over the next 12 months, that's what caused that equity market sell-off. But it still couldn't close below the 120. As for the Dow, the last time the Dow closed below the 120 was the day before the presidential election on November 7th, 2016. It's traded above it every day except for February 9th. It traded below it but closed above it. And it's been trading between the 30 and the 120. These kind of technicals matter, folks. Because here's the thing. I write research, Prestige Economics, we write reports about markets, mostly for corporate clients. You know who doesn't read reports with words in it? Algo trading, robots, they don't read it. But you know what they really like? Lines on graphs. Lines on graphs you can't go over for years. Because the day you go over that line, they know what to do.